Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Victory Jackpot. 100 cubic inches of big bore VTwin power, 6-speed overdrive transmission. This bike is really cool. Make a statement, priced to sell at just $49.99. We are well under book on this custom paint, gorgeous chromed big bore V-twin. Come by. This one's not going to be here long. It's got a big 240 on the rear. This bike is really cool. Makes a big statement. Make your big bore V-twin dreams come true for just $49.99. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.